Hey guys, welcome back. I think the opportunity is here to sell a put option for Tesla. This is a follow-up video for my new April options strategy for 2022. If you need more details about how I think when I sell a put option, you can check out this video. I'll link it up here and down below. So again, I repeat that options is a probability game and a time instrument. Your goal is to take the chances when the odds are in your favor. Therefore, you need a low-risk entry or a low-risk setup. So why do I think that the opportunity is here to sell a put options for Tesla? I will go through with you how I think, my thinking framework, and I will try to make this video as easy to understand as possible about all these complicated concepts. In return, smash the like button. Thank you. So first of all, I am a Tesla bull. So why am I a Tesla bull? I will summarize in a few points. I think it is going to be the age of Tesla for these 2 decades. They will lower the cost of energy and at the same time create abundance of energy. Tesla will build artificial general intelligence and introduce automation economy, and this will drastically expand world GDP. And of course, lower the cost of transport, taking out driver, petrol, and reducing maintenance. They also have unmatched manufacturing in the industry, 3 times more profitable in gross profit, 3 times faster than producing a car than Volkswagen. So if you have the knowledge that I have, if Tesla succeeds in what they do, I see them easily hitting the 10 trillion market cap. And 10 trillion market cap is about $9,700. So Tesla is my highest conviction stock and I don't mind owning them. And I mostly sell put option on my highest conviction stock. So recently Elon bought Twitter and he might have to use Tesla shares as collateral, or some people are speculating that he will sell his shares, so nothing is confirmed. And from that plus macro weakness, Tesla share price then fell to $876. So how I look at things is that I was going to average up and buy at $1,000, $1,100 irregardless, and Tesla dropping to $880 is a bargain. To me, Elon buying Twitter does not affect Tesla's revenue or profit at all. This sell down itself is more of an emotional news. It is out of fear and Tesla is mispriced now. So what I do is I start looking at prices in which I will guarantee to buy 100 shares. So let's say for example, I'm willing to guarantee and purchase 100 shares of Tesla at $850 a share, aka selling a put option, and we then look at the Tesla option chart. For $850 strike price that I choose, I get paid $6,000 1 month later. So 2 scenarios will happen to me. My best case scenario is I get to be paid $6,000 if Tesla remains above $850. My worst case scenario is Tesla crash even further and I'll have to buy them at $850 per share, but I can use the $6,000 premium received to offset my purchase price. Hence, my worst case scenario is I will buy them at $790 per share. So the question I will ask myself is, can the market go lower? So that depends on the sentiments, macro environment, and the narratives, the emotional side of the market. So in our logical mind, we know that Tesla is probably a steal at $790 per share for the worst case scenario. However, if further weakness comes and Tesla crash even further, can your portfolio, your mind, take the short-term pain? This decides your risk tolerance level and you assess your risk tolerance level through your holding power. So these are some of the questions I will ask myself. Number 1, how much cash am I holding? Number 2, what is the interest rates to borrow debt? And number 3, what is my portfolio size? If I have a good margin of safety, I can go for a strike price that is close to the trading price. Let's say the trading price right now is $876 and I choose a $880 strike price that pays $7,370 in premium. That is choosing a strike price near the current trading price, aka at the money. So to me, the market environment right now is really not worth the risk, and these are the few reasons why. So there is a few changes to my strategy. I do so because I'm not bullish on the stock market for the next few months. And these are the key reasons why I'm not bullish on the equity market, summarized in a few points. So there is war, interest rate hikes that may change drastically, quantitative tightening, multipolar world, possibility of recession, commodity shortages, and risk of hyperinflation. So for you guys to visualize, Tesla is at $962 now. If Tesla share price were to continue falling, it sets up a good low risk entry for me to sell a put option. When stocks fall and crash, the volatility is high. When there is high volatility, there is high premium. So to even further lower my risk, I'll place a strike price far away from the trading price. So my goal right now is to have super high probability and requires as little leverage as possible. So I can do that by choosing a strike price that is much lower than the current trading price. And that will increase my probability of being right, at the cost of suffering some profits from premium. So 2 weeks ago I posted this. So I would prefer to sell put option at $760, $690 or $660. These are the key support areas.
Okay, let's take a look at the Tesla options. We'll take a look at the 32 days. And we see from my safe point of entry, which is about 760. So for 760 strike price, you can ask for a $1,000 premium now at the current trading price of $962. I will wait for the price to crash further and I will sell a put option of at least 1.5k. So that's what I'm looking for. It is a high probability that I will get a full premium and it's a very low risk trade. And because it is a very low risk trade, I won't be exposed with too much leverage.
Now the premium for $760 strike price, you can ask for $3,000 US. It is 3 times higher from before. So the premiums again can be used to protect you from losses. You just end up wasting some time. So from now, the lower Tesla goes, the safer it is for you to start selling a put option. You just have to calculate your holding power and calculate your probability of the outcome you desire. And let's go back to the clip 2 weeks ago where I talked about selling call option. I'm going to change my option strategy is that I will do 2 types of options. I will sell put option and I will use my Tesla shares as collateral to sell covered call. I only do sell call for Tesla because I'm not bullish on the market for the next few months. So in this environment, I'm hardly going to leverage, and if I do leverage, it is going to be minimal amount of risk. When I sell call option, I'm putting 100 of my Tesla shares as collateral. There is no cash required. I don't have to come up with additional cash, so I'm on zero leverage when I do covered call. When I sell put option, I'm guaranteeing to buy 100 Tesla shares. I've been keeping cash reserves up so that I don't leverage much. My objective is to farm premiums and to do it in a low risk way. So number 1, I don't want my shares to be called away when I sell call option, and number 2, I don't want to buy options when I sell put option. So how am I going to do this? I will do this through choosing the strike price very carefully. I usually do not sell call option on Tesla because Tesla is a high growth stock. There is no way that I can roll myself out if Tesla were to surge $200 to $300 in a short time. I only sell covered call when I'm not bullish on the outlook of the entire market. I feel that the market right now is going to trade in a range or even trend downwards. In this kind of environment, it makes sense to be using my existing shares to farm some money. I will place my covered sell call on price levels that I don't think Tesla will go, which I mentioned in my previous video. True enough, 2 weeks later, Tesla crashed again. If I had covered call position, I will start taking profit now. I will then transition to a sell put or buy call, and that depends on the IV and the premium price. So in options, it is all about patience and patience. Again, let me drill this in your head. Option is a time instrument and it is a probability game. The lower Tesla goes from here, the higher chance I will start selling a put option. I did this video in advance to let you guys know. Okay, that is it for today. If you find this video useful, do help me out by liking this video. This really helps to push out the video for others to see. Help me subscribe to my channel. My goal now is 2,000 subs. Thank you and I'll see you next week.